In my preliminary task, developing any of the characters was not part of the brief, however I could have attempted to add a little more depth to the character. His function was merely to help deliver the punchline of a joke. Anyone watching couldn't really begin to relate with him or care about what happened to him. This meant that my preliminary task wasn't very engaging. For the purpose of my opening sequence, I wanted to create a relatable, likeable and funny character that, even in the brief 2 minutes the audience saw him, they would be able to care about him. My preliminary task soundtrack is very silly and random. The music does convey some sort of tension, however a lot of the sound effects are unnecessary and inappropriate. Something I've learned is that sometimes less is more. A simple soundtrack, especially for a romantic comedy, is appropriate. I could have added some more sound effects in my opening sequence to slightly build on the comedy, however this would make my sequence seem immature and my audience would not have liked it. A romantic comedy is largely character focused and silly sound effects would only distract from Mark's subtly comedic character. My preliminary task storyboard wasn't very good. I didn't really understand the only thing that you should sketch is what will actually be seen on screen. I drew arrows to show where the character was moving and labelled things on the shot sketch rather than the description box, which is where it should have been. In my opening sequence, having had the experience of storyboarding and making mistakes, I knew what not to do. I only sketched what was in shot and my descriptions were more thorough. This also made my animatic of a higher quality. In my preliminary task, I only used static shots. There was no camera movement at all, which meant it wasn't very interesting, and I had to use a lot of static action matches to keep up the character. In my opening sequences, I used lots of panning shots and one tracking shot to make things more interesting, and also so that the audience got a sense of movement without getting dizzy from the sudden succession of shots. I think that it is important to define your audience and genre. I failed to do this extensively for my preliminary task, which meant that I couldn't really determine if the sequence was truly successful, because I was not able to ask if the target audience liked it, or see if it conformed to conventions of my chosen genre. For my opening sequence, I had to clearly define my target audience and genre. Throughout the process, I was able to go back to conventions of romantic comedy and make sure that my sequence fitted them. I was also able to ask my target audience if they liked how my opening sequence was coming along and what I could improve on. At the end of the project, I can look back and see that my sequence adheres to the conventions of a romantic comedy, so, in the form of genre, it is a success. I also know that members of my target audience have said that they really like the sequence and think it is relatable and funny, so from their perspective, I have also been successful.